Hey everybody, it's Dave, Flippin' Genius. Welcome back. I'm going to show you a quick little drywall repair tip. There's been a few videos on the whole YouTube about this kind of stuff, but it's really the best thing to use. You don't need paper tape or anything else like that. You can if you want, but I'm coming across a job right now where there was a broken pipe or something like that, and the customer called me to come in and fix up the drywall. So this is actually what I'm going to be using right here. So you've probably seen these on YouTube, and they are the best thing in the world for me. Anyways, I love these things. They're just called drywall clips, okay? And the way they work is that you can go to Home Depot or Lowe's or any other hardware store and they probably have them. But if you have a slot that's already cut out, okay, and you just want to replace it with the original cutout, if you're lucky enough to have that, then this is all you need to do. They just, see, they come in like this. I already got a couple here that I started to do. I thought, oh, maybe I'll just do a quick video on this and share it with some folks. But yeah, these little clips right here, make sure that the fingers are pointing on the outside, and you just stick it in there, okay? And then you'll notice on them, they have these little holes here. So you pretty much will go and drill a drywall screw pretty much anywhere you want around the general center area here and stuff like that, and you're guaranteed to get a good hit. So let's see if I can do this one-handed. I'm going to take my drill, because you know me, I do it on the fly here. I'm going to just stick it there. Oh, yep, see? You want to set in just a little bit, not too much. See how this is just set in just a little bit? Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this other piece that was left here before. Whoops. Hello, fingers. It's very professional. I'm going to take this little piece here and just butt up to where it was. I think this is where the way it went. Yeah, that's it. See? You just put it back in like that and go on to step number 17. All right, so now I got the old drywall back in place there, and we'll just get another sheetrock screw. The package comes with enough sheetrock screws to do the job that you're doing, so you don't need to have to worry about going out and getting some sheetrock screws or anything like that. But, you know, come close to the edge as much as possible. Try to keep everything centered. And just give it a little, oh, right in there. Did a little too hard, actually, but that's what we're going to end up doing. And you repeat the process on all same sides. Once that's done, go ahead and get some mud. Well, let's do this real quick, show you. Then you take these, and they just break right off. Oop. See? They break right off, and that way you don't have anything sticking out. So once you do that, get them all screwed in. You don't have to go crazy. Then you're free to go ahead and mud in any style you wish. Gives you a little helping tip here. Thank you. Hope this helps. Bye.